How to manage default apps on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage it easy and quick. First open VK and then click hub and click these three lines here, then click settings. After that click app settings, and here you will find this one, default apps. Click on it, and now you can select you can manage default apps here: chats, calls and clips. Just select anything you want to change and change it, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.